happy Tuesday. It is May the 31st, 2016. Over on the canals, I was waiting for the fish to jump up out of the water, but it's not happening, but eventually. And that mockingbird over there, they're like little bully birds. So today is, if I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning, and that is Gandhi. Hallelujah! So you can get it if you believe. Even if you don't have it at the beginning, you just gotta always believe. And God has always gifted me with optimism, which I'm so thankful for. The little bird makes me laugh. So I hope you have a phenomenal rest of your last day of May. So make today so awesome that yesterday gets jealous. So that's pretty awesome. So happy day today. Hi. Good morning to you too. I know. I don't know what you're saying. Probably want some food, huh? You want some food? You want some food? Hi.